Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Mahmud Hassan, Assistant Teacher Agriculture, Greenfield School and College. In the last class, I have discussed about the crops of Rabi season. Today, I will discuss about crops of Kharif season. Uh, Today, I am going to discuss lesson 3. This lesson is under chapter 4. If any crops spend the whole or most of the Kharif season for their physical growth, blossom, and fructification, they are known as Kharif crops. This is the basic definition of Kharif crops. Uh, that means uh, if in a crop, if a crop grows, give flower and fruit within the Kharif season, then I will say the crop as Kharif crop. If we want to learn about the characteristics of Kharif crops, we should know about the aspects of Kharif season. The aspects of Kharif season are, aspects means characteristics of Kharif season are, Kharif season must have high temperature because Kharif is a summer seasonal summer season. Kharif season means summer season, so the temperature should be high. Then second aspect is Kharif season must have heavy rainfall. In summer season you see heavy rainfall. Sometimes it rains heavily in summer season, so it is the important characteristic of Kharif season. And then the another um property or characteristics is Kharif season must have high humidity. In Kharif season we see there is high humidity, high relative humidity in the atmosphere. We know that without high relative humidity, rainfall does not occur. So there is a connection between heavy rainfall and high relative humidity in atmosphere. So if the temperature is high, then rainfall will be high because of high relative humidity. Number 4 aspect is more possibilities of storms. A storm is there is a relationship between a storm and high temperature. High temperature makes the atmosphere makes the atmospheric pressure lower. In lower atmospheric pressure, there should be a possibility of happening of storms. The higher the temperature, the higher the possibility of storms. So it is very important aspect of Kharif season. Number 5, more fear of hailstorms. Hailstorms means um, hailstorms means a storm with particle of frozen water. Storms with frozen water is called hailstorms. So for the hailstorms, there is a chance of damaging of crops such as rice, jute, mango, etc. So this is a fear for the farmers. Number six aspect is more threat of flood. In Kharif season, the temperature becomes high, so relative humidity becomes high. As a result, there is heavy rainfall in Kharif season, so there is a threat of occurring flood. Number 7 aspect, more hazard from disease and pests. Yes, there is a hazard for disease and pest in the Kharif season, because insects insects are insects because high temperature is very favorable for insects. They can lay a lots of eggs in the crop field and produce lots of larvae. These larvae of the insect grow well in high temperature and heavy rainfall. So high temperature and heavy rainfall are very favorable for insects, and these insects may cause hazard of the crops. They destroy the crops. On the other hand, fungus, bacteria, virus makes some diseases on crops, so they also very hazardous for crops. So this Kharif season is very favorable for diseases and pests. Aspect 8, irrigation almost not needed. It is the positive characteristics of Kharif season. The farmers do not have to pay any money for the irrigation, because they get rainfall in this season, so they do not need any type of irrigation. So it is a positive for positive characteristics or aspects for Kharif season. Now the last aspect of Kharif season is day length is longer or equal to night time. Day length is longer, it is also good for crops. If day length is longer, sun radiation is longer, and plant will grow for a long time. But plant will get sunlight for long time, and they can produce food in their body for long time. It ultimately helps in production. In this figure you have seen some clouds in the sky, and this is the characteristics of Kharif season. In Kharif season, most of the days are cloudy. And in the second picture you are watching a cyclone. It is a coil like structure. There is a center of a cyclone. This center is stronger than the peripheral part of this cyclone. You know that these crops are divided into two seasons. Kharif crops are divided into two seasons, that is Kharif 1 and Kharif 2. The crops that require higher temperature are cultivated in Kharif season. This season is divided into two phases, that is Kharif 1. It rains moderately in this season and shower starts at the end of the season. Threat of nor'westers and hailstorm is higher in this season. Nor'wester means Kal Boishakhi. Many parts of the country are seen to be vulnerable to sudden river swelling, floods. High temperature and moderate humidity are experienced in this season. Diseases and insects attacks crops in medium scale. Moderate irrigation is needed for growing crops. Chief crops in this season are jute, sesame, amaranth, taro, okra, snake gourd and ribbed gourd, bitter gourd, pointed gourd, pumpkin, etc. Mango, blackberries, fruit, papaya, watermelon, melon, all these fruits mellow during this time. Kharif 2. It rains heavily in this season. There is less threat of gust and hailstorm, but flood is quite alarming this time. Excessive heat prevails and air contains humidity profusely in this season. Diseases and insects attacks crops a large amount. Manufactured irrigation is not required that much for growing crops. Chief crops in this season are almond rice, aquatic sprout, pani kochu, ash gourd, chalkumra, okra, dharosh, snake gourd, chichinga, ribbed gourd, jhinga and sponge gourd, dhundol, etc. Palm, amloki, pineapple, golden apple, guava, late maturing mangoes, jackfruit and pomelo. These mellow fruits during this time. Now I am going to discuss some MCQ on this lesson and the previous class lesson. That means this is lesson 3 and I taught about lesson 2. So I am going to discuss important MCQ on lesson 2 and lesson 3. Watch very carefully. MCQ of chapter 4 lesson 2 is discussed below. Number 1. Which one is the aspect of Rabi season? Option A is high temperature. Option B is rainfall. Option C is low humidity. And option D is frequent flood. The correct answer is low humidity. Rabi season, we know that Rabi season is winter season. So in winter season humidity is low. So answer is low humidity. Question 2. What is the name of Rabi crops? What is the name of what is the other name of Rabi crop? Answer is winter crops. The another name of summer crop is Kharif 1. So the answer is the another name of Rabi crop is winter crop. Question 3. Duration of Rabi season is Which one is correct? Duration of Rabi crop is mid-September to mid-March. So answer C is correct. Question 4. The mustard cultivation needs less irrigation, needs low temperature, needs less insecticide. Answer is B, needs low temperature. This is the answer. It is 3, option 3, and it is option 2. I mistake something, um, so it should be 3. Which one of the following is correct? 2. Crops. Question 5. Crops that are cultivated in the span from Ashwin to Falgun needs low temperature. Gourd, carrot and bean are known as summer crops. The correct option is 1 and 2. That means in and Ashwin and Falgun, Ashwin to Falgun month, temperature is low, and here gourd, carrot and bean is grown. Read the following passage. Farmers of Bokulpur village earn their livelihood depending on a specific agricultural season. In this season, it rains very slightly. There is less humidity and temperature is also lower. Now question 6. On which season are farmers of Bokulpur? It should be Bokulpur needed. Dependent. Option A, Kharif 1, option B, Kharif 2, option C, Rabi. On which season? The answer should be Rabi, because in Rabi season there is less humidity and temperature. So answer is Rabi. Now question 7. What are the crops of mentioned season? Gourd and spinach. Now I am going to discuss about chapter 4 lesson 3 MCQ. When does rainfall happen in Kharif 1 season? Answer is at the end of season. Question 2. Which one is must for crops of Kharif season? Answer is high temperature. Which one is characteristic of Kharif season? Answer is high temperature. Question 4. Which one is the main crop of Kharif 1 season? Answer is amaranth. Question 5. From the month of Chaitra to Jyeshta, option 1, threat of nor'wester is higher, hazard from insect and disease are moderate, snake gourd, ridge gourd Bitter gourd and pointed gourd grow well. Which one is correct? Both the three are correct. That means 1, 2 and 3 are correct. Question 6. In the season of mango and watermelon, there is higher threat of hailstorms. Air contains humidity profusely. Moderate irrigation is arranged for crop production. Which one of the following is correct? 2 and 3 is correct. Read the passage below and answer the question 7 and 8. Once Mr. Masoom decided to cultivate jute in this field, but due to regions of nor'westers and heavy hailstorm, he did late sowing of jute seed. Question 7. What is the name of season that is mentioned in the stimulant? The name of this season is Kharif 1. Now, question 8. What are the crops that Mr. Masoom may cultivate during mentioned season? In Kharif season, sweet gourd, pointed gourd and bitter gourd may cultivate. So this is for today's class. Thanks for watching this video.